Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to this presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to this presentation. Today, we are going to learn new topics. That is silent letter in English word. Generally, we are pronounce all letter in a word, but in English, some letter are not pronounced. It will be silent. For example, artistically. Typically, we pronounce artistically, but pronunciation will be artistically. Okay. Logically, we pronounce logically, but actual pronunciation will be the logically. A silent. Here, red color A will be silent, will not pronounce. Musically, SMS, we may call it musically, but not musically, it will be musically. Physically, not physically, physically. Critically, not critically, it will be critically. Be silent. We generally pronounce bomb, but it will be bomb. M sound. Last sound will be M. Bomb. Climb, not climb, it will be climb. Com, not comb. Short com. Cram, be silent. Det, D-E-T, det, not D-E-B-T. Det. Doubt, D-O-U-B-T, not V. D-O-U-T, doubt, D-O-U-T, doubt. D-U-M-B, dumb. D-U-M, dumb. Lamb, L-A-M, lamb. L-I-M, limb. Dumb, lamb, limb. Be silent. Nam, N-U-M, nam. Plum, R. Plum, P-L-U-M-E-R. Plum, R. Shuttle. Thumb, T-H-U-M, thumb. Succumb. C silent. D-E-S-E-N-T, descent, not C. D-E-S-E-N-T, descent. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-E, disciple, not. It will be D-I-S-I-P-L-E, disciple. Evenness, E-V-A-N-N-E-V-A-N-E-S-E, evenness. Fascinate, F-A-S-I-N-A-T-E, fascinate. F-A-S-I-N-A-T-E, fascinate. Fluorescent, F-L-U-O-R-E-S-E-N-T, fluorescent. Music, muscle, M-U-S-L-E, muscle. Consciousness, not conscience, C-O-N-S-I-E-N-C-E, conscience. Conscious, C-O-N-S-I-O-U-S, C-O-N-S-I-O-U-S, conscious. Crescent, not C-R-E, C-A-C-N-T, crescent. Descent, D-E-S-E-N-T, descent. Bears, B-A-D-Z-E, Bears, not bears, B-A-Z-E, bears, B-A-Z-E, bears. E-D-Z-E, Edzzy, not E-Z-E, Aves, corner. Handsome, S-A-N-D-S-O-M-E, not ham, S-A-N, ham, S-O-M-E, handsome. Handsome, N sound, handsome. Headsy, not A-C-D-Z, headsy, not haze, A-C-Z-E, haze. Sandwich, not san, S-A-N, sandwich, W-I-C-S, sandwich, sandwich, sandwich. Wednesday, not Wednesday, W-E-Z-E, Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, 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 not Wednesday, it will be Wednesday. So thank you for watching this lecture. If you think it will add value to you, so please like, share and subscribe for more lecture. Thank you all.